Society is teaching us all wrong. Do this, be nice. Self-sacrifice is so much glorified. Being selfless is ideal. But let me tell you something. We have got it all wrong. The world will take everything from us. Our peace, our energy, literally everything if we let it. Hence, being selfish is the way to be. Hi everyone, my name is Anushka. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely great and are staying safe at home, keeping good care of yourselves. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you why being selfish in life is the way to be and why selfish people always win. So if that is something that interests you, then keep on watching. We are always taught to be sweet, to say yes, be accommodating, compromise. But what does that teach us? That others matter more than us. I myself was programmed to say yes to everyone. Chahe that makes me so uncomfortable. No matter how uncomfortable I am, I would always say yes to people because I know if I said no to someone, I would feel so guilty, I would feel so bad, I would feel I'm such a bad person. I said no to them because हमें सिखाया ही यही है. ये देखो कितनी अच्छी है, ये लोगों के लिए कितना करती है, ये देखो कितनी sweet है, she never says no. See how good she is. She's always saying yes. She's so accommodating. I love being with her because no matter what I tell her, she always says yes. That is what is glorified in today's time. Ask yourself, how many times you have said yes to someone just because you didn't want to disappoint them? How many times have you swallowed your feelings just because you didn't want them to feel bad? Just because you didn't want to feel guilty for saying no? How many times have you let people overstep your boundaries? You did not want to betray them. But in the process, did you not betray yourself? आज हमारे लिए दूसरों की फीलिंग्स इतनी ज्यादा मैटर करती है कि खुद की फीलिंग्स मैटर ही नहीं करती. As long as सामने वाला खुश है, I am happy. Are you kidding me? I just had the epiphany the other day that why am I being so nice? But why do I care what they think? Are they important enough in my life that their opinions matter more than what my opinions are? And let me tell you something. No one will save you. As long as you are not saving yourself, you are not protecting your peace, you are not protecting your energy, no one is gonna come and save you. And that's where healthy selfishness comes into picture. I am not saying don't help others. I am not saying that. Go ahead, do whatever you want to. All I am saying is don't be available for people, don't be accommodating on the cost of your mental health. Flight में भी हमेशा बोला जाता है अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी सबसे पहले बांधे फिर दूसरों की मदद करें. That is why put yourself on the pedestal. अपने बारे में सोचो पहले, फिर दूसरों के बारे में सोचना. And people will tell you, oh you have changed. तुम पहले जैसी नहीं रही. पहले you were so nice. पहले you were this. Remember you were so nice. Yes, I remember. I remember how accommodating I was, and I also remember how you disrespected me. How you treated me in return, I remember. So now you remember that you do not have privilege to talk to me. So remind yourself to F off, and when people are coming to you and saying, oh, you have changed, you're this, that's the point. That is when you need to tell yourself that your boundaries are working. Help others, be kind and all that. It's not about being a bad person. It's about choosing yourself in the world who's profiting off of your kindness. Ask yourself, what has being a good person gotten you? Did it protect your heart? Are you more loved? Are you more respected? Did it bring you closer to the life that you want? Or are you just exhausted of people taking you for granted? People are not in love with you. They are in love with your accommodating nature, your compromising nature, you not putting yourself first. That's what people love. तुम्हारे से किसी को लेना देना नहीं है. If you are not selfish, if you don't choose yourself, you will end up living a life that does not even feel like yours. And mind you, 40-50 years down the line, you will be thinking, if I would have chosen myself, my life would be so different today. So be selfish enough to end that relationship, end that friendship, quit that job that does not feel nice. Be selfish enough to chase your dream. Be selfish enough to believe in yourself when no one does. Disappoint who needs to be disappointed. Just make sure that you are not disappointing yourself. Don't end up being the side character of your own life. That brings me to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel below if you guys haven't already. And I'm gonna see you on Wednesday with a brand new vlog. Bye! Mwah.